Olay Body Quench Therapy Repair Concentrate, 4.5 ounces. Indications: Olay Quench Therapy Repair Body Cream Concentrate is an intense body treatment that transforms the texture of even the roughest dry skin patches like heels, elbows, and knees, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and soothed in as little as 7 days. With a concentrated amino-vitamin complex, Quench Skin Repair Concentrate breaks the cycle of extremely dry skin. It deeply moisturizes to repair skin's moisture barrier, helping your skin naturally defend itself against dryness. Hydas Body Creamer Skincare Set, White Yellow. 3-in-1 skincare set washes, exfoliates and moisturizes skin. Create cleaner, fresher skin with the Hydas 3-in-1 skincare set. Put the sponge attachment on the handle to wash hard-to-reach areas, then use the exfoliating sisal head to help renew your skin's surface by brushing away dead skin cells. Finish up with the moisturizing attachment, which has unique rotating balls to evenly distribute and massage lotion into your skin. The sturdy 2-piece handle makes it easy to include on trips. The leak-proof cover gives you peace of mind knowing leaks are prevented and the contents will not dry out. Apothec M Body Cream Coconut Jasmine 8. Luscious Moisturizer. Heal and protect your skin. This luscious body lotion moisturizes dry skin, leaving it silky, smooth, and smelling amazing. You'll love the way your skin feels when you use this shea butter lotion regularly. The scent, coconut jasmine, exotic, relaxing. Manatec Firm with Amberdose. Manatec Firm with Amberdose. Soothe your whole body with rich moisturizing cream. Manatec Firm with Amberdose Body Cream is a rich botanically-based, proprietary blend of science and nature, based on herbal principles. Formulated without synthetic colors, this cream is also paraben-free and without mineral oil. Firm with Amberdose CRME contains aloe vera, known for its skin conditioning and lubricating properties. Milk thistle extract, known for its conditioning properties. Product overview. The Firm with Amberdose body cream is paraben-free, botanically based, suitable for all skin types, soothes and hydrates the skin, non-comedogenic, allergy tested, dermatologist tested. Aroma Crystal Gardener's Dream Body Wash and Gardener's Dream. About the body wash, previously known as Crystal Clear Face and Body Wash. Same amazing product with a fresh new look. Infused with tea tree oil, this formula is an excellent acne face wash, and can be used for the whole body, even for sensitive skin. Start your day with Crystal Clear Face and Body Wash, made with uplifting lemongrass. There is no better way to wake up the senses. pH balanced and antioxidant rich, Crystal Clear helps you maintain a healthy complexion, the key for younger looking skin. Free of sodium lauryl sulfate, Crystal Clear Face and Body Wash won't strip your skin of vital natural oils. Use in your morning shower, or to gently remove makeup at night. Follow up with Morning Dew Moisturizer or Om Facial Cream depending on your skin type. A little bit goes a long way. About the Dream Cream, winner of over 28 national awards of excellence for Best Body and Skincare Product and Best Aromatherapy Product, Gardener's Dream Cream has been hailed as the go-to cream. Gardener's Dream Cream is the ultimate in vibrational therapy with its infusion of essential oils and other key ingredients. Since 1989, Gardener's Dream Cream has been the top choice for a full body treatment. A massage with Gardener's Dream Cream helps you to relax, and its therapeutic aroma creates a sense of well-being. This home care cream calms and is a perfect at-home spa treatment for tired feet. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves natural body care. Carol's Daughter Coconut Body Cleansing Cream for Unisex, 8. Gili de Soleil by Carol's Daughter for Unisex, 4-ounce oil. It is recommended for normal skin. Bath and Body Works Bare Hugs Slippers size L. Bath and Body Works Bare Hugs Cream Slippers.